When school starts, this is the first test your child should take.
Good. C.
A yearly checkup is important for kids of all ages, says a University of Kentucky pediatrician.
And the reason for that is we want to make sure that they're the healthiest that they can be prior to going back, so that they can do the best that they can while they're in school. All right, so you just had your eyes and your ears checked. Now I'm going to listen to your heart and lungs, okay?
Besides checking for changes in vision and hearing and making sure the heart, lungs, and other systems are in working order, it's a good way to keep track of your child's development.
We plot them on a growth chart and make sure they're growing well, but not too well. We have such a problem with obesity these days, so it gives us a chance to talk about their diet, healthy choices that they can make even when they're eating at school.
Getting into a good sleep routine is another important part of getting your child healthy for school.
At least a week ahead of time, maybe start going to bed a half an hour or 45 minutes earlier. Maybe each day you could do it, half an hour earlier to kind of work up to an hour or so. Going to bed around 8 or 8:30, depending on how old the child is.
Got you at 51.5 inches tall.
And checkups are not just for younger kids.
Some parents might not realize some of their teenagers going back to school still need some booster vaccines. Certain things that they're exposed to, like meningitis and tetanus, are still things they need a booster for.
Following these steps can help your child get an A in good health.
Big, say ah, stick your tongue out.
For UK Healthcare, I'm Beth Goins.